Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today I'm going to show you how I did this rope twisted updo. My mannequin has shoulder length hair, so it's perfect for this length. Split the hair in the middle and then start with a strand from the front that you split into 2 strands. Twist one strand over the other. And now we're going to start to add in hair. So I'm taking hair from the top, adding it to the right-hand strand, and then adding also another portion of hair to the strand that is down. We're going to bring it over to the right, but we are twisting it to the left. Both strands going to be twisted to the opposite side. So twist outside and then bring over to the inside. Now add in some more hair again to both strands. You can do this one after the other or immediately at the beginning before you start twisting. Now twist to the outer side, to the ear, both strands being twisted in the same direction, and then brought over to the opposite side. Again, add in some hair, twisting to the left. Now before you bring the second strand over the right strand, add in also some hair, twist these strands together to the outside, to the left, and then bring over to the right. We're going always to do the same steps, but the reason why you're twisting to the opposite direction is to make this braid not unravel, so it won't loosen up during the day. When there's no more hair to add in, just finish the rope twist braid by twisting it to the left and bringing over to the right. Twist to the left and bring over to the right until the very end. And when you reach the end, take a tiny elastic and secure the braid. That's our first step. We're going to do exactly the same on the other side. You see, when I take the first strand, I always like to do this in a diagonal way. 2 strands. Now we twist to the right and bring over to the left. So you can always remember, first add in some hair to the 2 strands, then twist to the outside, to the face, both strands, and bring over to the middle parting. Again, add in some hair to the strands, twist them outside to the face, and bring them over to the head. Like this you keep on braiding until there is no more hair to add in. Keep on adding hair to the strands, twist them to the outer side here to the right, and then bring it over to the left. Keep on twisting and then bring over to the opposite side. Again, twist them together and bring over to the opposite side. If you want to make sure that it's a bit tighter, you can first twist a bit the single strand like I just showed it here, and then add in the hair and give it another twist. This is just to help it to make it a bit tighter. Finish the rope twist braid with the remaining hair with the 2 strands and tie off with a clear elastic. Now you're going to make a simple knot, so bring one over the other, pin it into place with some bobby pins, and then hide the ends under it. I stick them together with another clear elastic to make sure that it won't unravel, and then just use one more bobby pin. Now pull the outer edges to give everything a bit more volume. You can also use some hairspray to avoid flyaways, and this is the final result. I hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to have notification, don't forget to turn on the little bell. We are uploading new tutorials 2 to 3 times every week. Hope to see you soon. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.
Nighttime shadows soft and deep, cradle all the secrets we keep. Promises are whispers we speak in the silence.